Hey, good morning. It's Eric Tech Stuffs. It's pretty early in the morning on a Saturday for me. It's well, 536 of y'all come up. A lot of views here. Scrolling through. Boo boo boo. 5:41 in the morning. So I do apologize for my nice and gravelly voice. I'm waking up myself. I had a beautiful meal yesterday, and it ended up putting me to sleep about 7 o'clock. It was all balanced, beautiful salad and everything. But hey, I guess I needed the sleep. Popped me out early today because I gotta get some yard work done. So maybe this is a blessing because then I'll be able to maybe play with some radios. It was real fun yesterday. If you saw the video about this grant yesterday, I did a live stream real quick. First live stream I ever did. And I was just testing this thing out. And you know, my antenna's not the best. And it's just mobile antenna. This thing here was barefoot, and I was able to get into Salt Lake City, Utah. I talked to Darren Needlebender 99. Do appreciate talking to him. He's a powerhouse in the area. His neighbors with 390 Wagon Master. And 390 Wagmaster says every time Darren's on the air, he has to get off the air because he's a powerhouse. But hey, conditions are conditions. We'll get there. We'll get there. I want to get to talk to 390 Wagmaster myself, so hopefully we can get Darren to stay off the key for a little bit. That would be fun. Anyway, that was a fun little video, and I was getting rid of these radios because I have the ICOM 7300, but man, oh man, just using that yesterday, man, it brings you back into it. These things are like little time capsules. You ever use one before, start using it again, man, brings you back to being when you had that thing, man. It just takes you back in times. Sounds beautiful. As you can tell, he was just on a President Washington barefoot with an Antron 99, so we both weren't doing anything much, but the conditions were just right. So I was on high band trying to find something to put back on for a live stream. Didn't find anything, but yeah, it was very fun, very cool. I'll probably do that in the future again, get better conditions. That was right at the tail end of mine, and maybe I'll do better audio for myself because I was talking in the middle of it, but I had the speaker, microphone by the speaker. So in regard, that was a fun little video, and I do appreciate y'all who stopped through, but yeah, I don't need all these still anyway. I have another one, so this one's not doing me any good sitting here, and boy oh boy, it's a beauty. It's a beauty. Anyway, I'm gonna get into the video now, so I do appreciate y'all stopping by, and let's get to the thing we're here to talk about. Well, I have something always kind of fun coming up here, and sometimes I buy these just by the brand name, like this. Thanks for choosing. And I thought it said Shitnit Power first, but it's Schnit Power, I guess. These names are always hilarious. One of those cheap ones. So I'm just going to pop this open. It's supposed to be a general purpose AC to DC adapter, basically just a wall wart. I'm going to pull this out, this monstrosity. And yep, we got our... Oh, come on. It's in the box. How did that happen? It was in a sealed box. Well, this is great. We're already starting out on a positive note. I was going to talk about how I don't use the Bofang charger wall wart. You ever look inside those things? Scared to put these things in my walls. A lot of these cheap power supplies that you get wall wart wise are just not of quality. I'm not expecting this to be of terrible better quality, but supposedly we can do a 3 amp adjustable, or 3 amp max and adjustable voltage 3 through 24 with a digital display. So I can just do, well, I guess that's off, so we can turn it off that way. But supposedly, and then this is supposed to be universal. What is, oh, y'all fancy. Okay, I guess we have to use this. Maybe it's another breakaway. And oh, there we go. Oh man, look at this. So we have pretty much every, oh, look at that. We even got USB-C. Wow. Oh yeah, we got the old school USB too, the Android one. I forgot, USB-B or whatever the hell. They got tons of different names. But then we even got the micro pin, DC jacks, all the way up, man. That's pretty cool. All right, minus that little breakage or that little snafu. Whoever packed it up didn't pack it right, but and then it even gives you a nice terminal out. So I guess we use this in conjunction with this, or we can do it with this and call it a quick connect. That's a lot of work, but I mean, then we end up with bare terminals. Basic little power supply. It's 3 amps. Of course, you're not going to do anything. You can't just set this for 12 volt CB. You're going to hear noise. I think. Is it filtered? Probably not that bad. Ah, man, I don't want to pop this open. I'd love to look inside. Of course, the Schnitt power. Sorry, God, now I'm never going to. Actually wish that was the name. You can say, man, this thing just shits out power. Anyway, I don't. We're getting back to it here. Yeah, so it looks like we can do everything here. Oh, yeah, that's a polarity reverser right there. So you can reverse the polarity. That makes sense because some of them are positive in, some of them are a negative in. Inner ring, outer ring. So yeah, that's a polarity converter. Converter. Okay. Anyway, this thing looks kind of cool. I'm gonna go ahead and just power this up. Maybe I should take this and hook it up to a meter. See how close it is to this. All right, let's do that. All right, we have it plugged into the mains here. No smoke coming out of this box yet. It's not getting warm. It's off. That's good. That's somewhat promising. All right, we're just going to use this unplugged real quick, and then we'll plug it into the meter. This is positive tip default, so what I'm actually using it for, I will need that reverse polarity. Let's turn this on. Okay, right out of the gate, 3.5.2 volts supposedly at the very minimal setting. As soon as you, yeah, that's off. It's gonna drain this out slowly and off. Okay, well, slowly. Oh, that's gonna be annoying. So this is just charging. How long is it gonna? Come on. Going to do that for a little bit. Well, it finally just stopped. That's good. Okay, so that's decent. But yeah, it starts off at 3.5, so it's not a full 0. As this says 3, but it's a little more than that off the rip. So if you need just 3, you're going to be a little over. Yeah. Yeah, this knob could definitely be twisted real quick and blow up stuff. That's for sure. So we can get... And like I said, don't use it. But yeah, you can just dial it in. 13.8. But don't. Not a 3 amp and not this noisy little thing. There's a reason. I did that way back. Power packs and hum and buzz all through the transmissions. Golly. You got to remember, back in the day, the power supplies were so expensive. Now these switching ones changed the game. So yeah, we're all the way up to 24.1. So how accurate is it? Let's plug this in and we'll find out, I guess. This is actually just residual from when I had it on last. And let's go ahead, now that it's connected in. Let's see how accurate this thing is. Of course, this meter isn't a fluke, so it's we're kind of blind leading blind here probably. It's not too terribly. This says 390, that's 387. I'm going to use it right at, if I can get, oh, see, this is the thing, dialing this in, and the little hair trigger. You got to make sure you don't bump it when you, if you set it and put it somewhere behind a desk. Come on. See, this is, I didn't think about this. I wish I had click numbers. Like the old school Radio Shack ones. Come on, can we get there? Oh man, that's a hair trigger. Very good. Okay, I need about 9 volts for my little project, so this will work. That says 9.06. It's a little off. 903, 906. A little error there. I don't know where the error is. I'm sure it's in both. But this will do pretty cool. Comes with all these nice attachments. So yeah, if you need one of these, this is a pretty good unit. Just make sure you can dial it in enough, and you need a little over 3 volts and under 24 volts. This will work. This will do the job. Nice 3 amp one. So it will do what I needed to do, which is real nice. You can actually mount this on the wall somewhere and stick it up there and dial in. Use your adapters. I don't think there's anything missing, is there? I don't know. You got to break out just to bare terminals as well. So I think that's pretty cool. I like to have the USB in there, both of them. Man, nice. I like it. Tell me your thoughts. You ever see one of these? You use them before? Let me know. But down below, I think I'm going to put this to use. Hopefully it's not too noisy, so we'll see. All right, 73. I'll see you in the next video. Hopefully later today. Hopefully some CB, maybe some conditions. Who knows? Some ham. Who knows? I'll be somewhere. I'll be nice and talking if I can get the sun to rise real quick, so I can go start doing the grass and everything before it starts getting sunny. Let me know what y'all doing today. All right, I'll hope to catch you on the air, and I'll say 73s. Thanks y'all for subbing up and stopping by today, and I'll try and find some more interesting stuff. Hopefully what this is connected to. So cool. Later, guys.